Hello everyone, I'm Brody with BIM Track, and I'm here to give you the July release update. In this update, we really concentrated it around the saved viewpoints in Navisworks. What we wanted to do is we wanted to extend the user's ability to decide what is actually coming across from Navisworks saved viewpoint into a BIM Track issue. Previously, it was just the viewpoint, just the image. There was no comments or markups coming in with it. And we thought that this would be a very nice option for the user to be able to communicate the stuff inside Navisworks directly to the issue. So without further ado, let's get started on that. So what I've done here is I've done a clash test in the Clash Detective, my HVAC versus structural. I found 112 issues. So what I'm going to do quickly is I'm going to go ahead and group those issues. I test by the selection A, and I'll group that. And then I'm going to do the same test, and I'm going to do it by the selection B. And I'm going to keep my existing groups this time. So I'll go ahead and do that. There we go. In my Clash Detective, you'll see I'm down to 42 issues. So what I'm going to do with those results, as you can see, we're going through these clashes. You see that they are very, very nicely grouped clashes. So what I'll do is I'll go into the report. I'm going to use group headers only, so just the main image of each group. And then I'm going to report them as viewpoints directly into Navisworks. So I just can go ahead and write that report. And as you can see, I have all of my clashes here listed from that test. So now I'm ready for my coordination review. What I'll do now is I'll go through these views and I'll check them. And throughout the meeting, I will go through them and we will do some markups directly onto the sheet here. There we are. So now you can see that all of that is directly onto the viewpoint here. So if I jump to a different viewpoint and I jump back, you see that all of those markups are still on that viewpoint. What I'll also do here is I'll make a comment. So I'll say that this issue should go to anyone on the mechanical team. There we are. So now I've added a comment to this viewpoint as well. I'm going to go ahead and rename this viewpoint so I know which one it is. I'll take out the overview words here, 16 by 67. Then I'll go over to our BIM track and I'll do the views to issues. Now you'll see here, I'll just go quickly find that issue that I've created. There it is, 16 by 67 without the overview. I'm going to add that over there. And then here's what's new. We have include save viewpoints comments and include save viewpoints text and markup in the description. Also, I have automatically filled the group in. This is normal. We've had this for a while, that we're going to put the name of the group in group. That's why this is grayed out here. So go ahead and fill in a couple of this stuff here. There we are. So publish that. It's going to publish that issue directly to BIM Track. And as we can see here, I'll go and I'll view edit. See that the two notes that I made of markups were directly inserted as two different notes in the description of the issue. And also the comment I made to that viewpoint has been translated to a comment on that viewpoint directly in BIM Track. With these additional options, I hope that you guys can have a little bit better coordination meetings and get through them a little bit quicker and keep all of that data directly in the BIM Track workflow. That about concludes the feature for the July update. I'm Brody Scott with BIM Track, and we'll see you next time.